For good, a kidney donor literally going the extra miles, driving through blizzard conditions to get to the hospital in Boston.
Our Matt Reed sat down with the two friends who will happily tell this story for the rest of their lives. It's a story you'll see only on 5.
There's helping a friend, and then there's what Kelly Nixon of Anchorage, Alaska did
I feel the same.
for Michelle Wood of Westmoreland, New Hampshire.
It's just been enhanced, and it's just so much more.
2 weeks ago, Kelly was supposed to fly from Alaska to Boston to donate a kidney for Michelle, who's been living with polycystic kidney disease for 30 years, a genetic condition that is deadly without a transplant.
The living donor kidney will last about 10 years or more longer than a non-living donor kidney.
However, Mother Nature threw these two and the medical staff at Tufts Medical Center a curveball when the blizzard of 2026 dropped 3 feet of snow in parts of Massachusetts, canceling hundreds of flights at Boston's Logan Airport and stranding Kelly and her husband Paul in Chicago.
And so my husband and I just looked at each other and said, I think we should try to drive.
So the husband and wife rented a car with 4-wheel drive, of course, and started heading east.
It was really windy, right? So we're getting tossed around a bit, and we ended up making it, in 2 days.
The two arriving in Boston just hours before the surgery, giving extra motivation to the medical staff at Tufts, many who were still digging out themselves.
So we were all excited, and we all got fired up that we have to make it happen, right? So yeah, the snow on the driveway can wait.
The surgery went much smoother than the trip to the operating room, leaving Michelle not only with a new lease on life, but knowing that these friends mean it when they say, "We got your back."
I have so much love for Kelly, and this big, amazing, enormous gift that she's done is phenomenal.
In Boston, Matt Reed, WCVB News Center 5.